Hi, Tiffany from ABI Interiors, and today we're just minutes outside Brisbane City. This Queenslander renovation behind me blends the old with the new seamlessly. I'm excited to see the inside. So come on in, let's check it out. These arch French doors make a beautiful entrance into the home. Stepping into the home, I immediately notice all the details like the shaker profile in the linen cupboard here, as well as the marble in the entryway table. It really sets the tone for the rest of the home. Stepping in here, I feel like the essence of the home is being captured through the sconces, the curved vanity, and these arch features. The colour palette is strong, especially in these deep veins of the marble tiles balanced by our brushed nickel tapware that you're going to see more of throughout the home. Let's head to the kitchen. Leaving the main bathroom, we pass the laundry and we enter the open living area. You'll notice more of those timeless choices in here, like the travertine coffee table and the floral rug. They work harmoniously with the modern couch here. Just off the living area is this grand wine cabinet with quite a selection. It's perfectly situated between the living and the kitchen. Walking through to the kitchen and dining, the ceiling opens up into this pitched roof and exposed beams that lead us through to the kitchen. The clean lines and subtle detailing offer a sense of balance between the classic craftsmanship and modern elegance. The spiral staircase that has been handcrafted with this texture render pairs perfectly with the oak blonde timber flooring that wraps you round to the second level. Making our way through to the main bathroom on the second level. Similar colour palette as downstairs bathroom. They're using the same tiles, creating that cohesion throughout the wet areas. In through here is the second living. The home was built in the 1930s and it's really prevalent in the features that they kept in the design phase, like the glass windows and the beautiful ornate ceiling mouldings. These details add so much charm and character to the overall look and feel of the space. We saved the best for last, the primary suite. It's generous in size, it's got the same neutral colour palette. The primary suite has similar finishes to the rest of the bathrooms, including these details that nod to the heritage of the home. Tucked behind here is the shower, got a double vanity and of course a heated towel rail. I've shown you everything on this level, so let's head outside to the outdoor entertaining area. Through to the outdoor entertaining area, they've really captured that relaxed atmosphere here. They've got a seating to my right and a barbecue to my left. They've even got these beautiful tiles that I love. They've got those rich brown tones that kind of reflect the landscape behind us. The tiles flow into the pool area where again we're seeing that handcrafted, textured, rendered bench seating there. Overall, this home is grand and each space has a piece of history incorporated into it so beautifully. I love touring this home today. If you have too, let us know below. And I'll see you at the next time.